further ado, may we call on the first talented performers from BUPC. And let us witness the dance salvo prepared by our talented dancers. Let us welcome the BUPC
Dance Troupe! Performance!
Talaga namang giling na giling ang BUPCian ngayong gabi, di ba Trish?
Yes! Ready na ba kayo sa susunod na magpa-perform? Okay, tawagin na natin. And for our next performer, let us welcome our talented trio ladies, Maricar Lumaad, Christina Jane Ogmar, and Jaira Lee Navarga. Let us give them a round of applause.
ba kayo? Talaga namang ang ating mga students from Bicol University Pulangi Campus ay sobrang di ba, partner?
Kasama naman ako.
So, let me welcome our co-host for this evening, syempre, the very beautiful Miss Joyce Camille.
Thank you so much, co-host. Napakagaling ninyo. May potential. So, hindi makukumpleto ang gabing ito. Syempre, kung hindi tayo magpapalaro. Para naman ma-enjoy ng lahat, di ba? Yes! Excited ba kayo maglaro?
Excited na ba kayong mga paglaruan?
Ay! Iba yun! Iba yun!
Ay, bawal ba yun?
So, hindi kumpleto ang Paskong Masaya kung hindi tayo uuwing may bitbit from Bicol University, Pulangi Campus, and of course, Office of the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension. So, bago tayo magsimula, maaari ba namin imbitahan ng lahat na mag-participate at bawal ang killjoy? Yun ang golden rule natin para sa ating game. Okay, so ang ating first game is called Bring Me Something! Okay, sorry!
Bring me something!
Bring me something! Okay, so nag-survey kami at ang top 5 na madalas na hindi na nakikita ngayon. So, baka meron yung mga estudyante natin galing Pulangi Campus or maaaring yung mga galing sa OPPRD or pwede naman yung mga faculty members, diba?
Kasali ang lahat.
Yan, kasali ang lahat. Yung ating mga cater or ang ating technical team, di ba? So, ang unang Bring Me Something ay paunahan ha. Pero, syempre, safety is a priority. Alright. So, ang unang Bring Me Something ay SIM card! Alright! Meron ba kayo?
SIM card! Paunahan na!
Kahit anong SIM, kahit anong network, basta...
SIM card!
Yes naman!
Dapat nakalabas
Tatanggalin mo po sa cellphone.
Ayan!
Okay, meron tayong... Grabe, hindi na mga estudyante. Okay, ang ating unang prize ay... Chips. Okay, thank you and congratulations!
Congratulations po!
Ay, yung SIM card, sorry. So, ang next naman na item. Okay pa ba ang lahat? Ready na ba ang lahat? Abang-abang, okay? So, ang next natin na something ay Bring Me two Red Socks!
Red Socks! Pula na medyas! Meron ba kayo?
Kulang
Sino
medya.
may pulang medyas?
Pulang medyas! Parang ayaw sumali.
Parang wala nakamedyas na pula.
Wala pa nakamedyas na pula dyan?
Wala ba?
Oh,
Ay, parang wala.
Okay, hindi siya color of the day. Okay lang yan. So, meron pa tayong mga susunod pang items. Okay. So, ang next, Bring Me Something, dahil wala kayong pulang medyas, ay tatlong kaliwang sapatos! Tatlong
Kaliwang
sapatos! Bilis! Parang hindi excited!
Alam niyo ba kung
Tatlong kaliwang sapatos! Ayan!
Ayan.
Nauna si Sir from, alam mo, pareho kami ng damit. So, syempre, OVPRDE. Hoy, OVPRDE, magbigay naman kayo sa mga tagapulang. Sir, i-check natin kung lahat ba yan ay left. Shoes. Okay, tama na.
Kaninong shoes to? Kaninong shoes to?
Sino man iba?
Ay, sorry. Ayan.
Okay, so ayan, may nanalo na, congratulations. Okay, sana naman yung mga susunod na Bring Me Something ay galing na sa Pulangi Campus. Alright, congratulations.
Mga estudyante sa Pulangi, ano na? Galaw-galaw!
Magpapatalo ba ang mga beauticians?
Oh! Participate kayo!
Okay. Hoy, Pulangi Campus, go! Yes. Ito, feeling ko pang snap yan ng accounting office habang nagpo-process ng mga papel. Okay, so ang next na Bring Me. Actually, hindi siya something. So, Bring Me a director! Okay!
Director!
Oh, wag na!
Director! RDE. Congratulations! Okay! Okay, congratulations po!
Congratulations po.
Congratulations po.
Okay, ito parang medyo challenging. Sana meron nito ang mga participants natin. Okay, so ang next at last na Break Me Something. Ay, 5 cents!
5 cents! Limang 5 cents! Patingin! Pakita natin! Ah, naka-8! Naka pa siya!
Buksan yan, baka hindi 5 cents.
Sino nagsukli sa'yo niyan? Sol Sisi?
So, anong pangalan mo po? Emeralding Club po from the University of namin. Alright, congratulations!
Yan.
Lalaban ang mga taga-BUPC.
Gawin
Congrats!
ngayong finals week. So, dyan na natatapos ang ating first set of games.
Okay.
Trisha and Melvin, para sa ating next performance.
Okay.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Camille. So,
Sige.
again, let me greet the three ladies from a while ago. Kasi ang gagaling po nila. Napakanta din ba kayo? Ng Rockin' Around.
Paano yung step nila?
Rockin' around the Christmas tree.
Okay, di pa nagkasabay-sabay kanina. Siguro kami na lang ang
Kami na lang po.
perform. Kaya mo, ma'am?
Hindi.
Kaya natin, Ma'am. Kaya natin.
Ano gusto mong gawin nating tatlo? Dahil meron na tayong na-form na group chart.
Okay, so our next performer.
Our next solo performer is from the Bicol University Pulangi campus as well. So he is Lee Carter Serra, and let us give him a round of applause.
Takes my heart. Feel my way in front, following the sun. It's the most beautiful time of the year. He like the streets spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on a holiday, but it can't stop tearing at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. You, shout it with you, you. Shout it with you, under the mistletoe. Everyone's gathering around the fire, chestnut roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. You, shout it with you, shout it with you, under the mistletoe. Hey, love, do watch me follow the stars, the way I follow mine, and it led me to America. Hey, love, don't you buy me nothing, 'cause I'm feeling wanting your lips on my lips. That's a merry, merry Christmas. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Life feels shit, penny so so much years. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on a holiday, but I can't stop tearing out your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. With you, shawty, with you, with you, shawty, with you, with you, under the mistletoe. And kiss me under the mistletoe. Show me, baby, you love me so. Kiss me under the mistletoe to show me, baby, that you love me so.
Thank you so much, Dito Tercera. For our next performer, let's call Hazel Canoa, Jana Fria, and Christine Macedonia. Let's give them a warm of applause.
Merry Christmas, I wrap it up and send it. We just know saying I love you again. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, I know you do it again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but this very next thing, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it
now welcome the RDE dancers with OVP, RDE directors, and VP.
Let's give them a round of applause. Once again, let's give them a warm of the applause. Thank you so much to the cute performance of RDE dancers, his OVP, directors, and vice presidents. For our next performance, let us call Monica Lorenzana and Christina Capino. Let's give them a warm of applause.
Sa inyong lahat. Ito ko na to ay para sa mga malalamig ng Pasko.
Wow! sa'yo. Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka.
Sana ngayong Pasko, alam mo pa rin ako. Nahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko.
Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya
Ano kaya?
tayo sa'yo? Bakit pa naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangad ko lang ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo.
Ang pag-ibig mo.
At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka.
At makasama ka
Sa araw ng Pasko, sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap pag-ibig mo.
ang pag-ibig mo.
At kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka.
At makasama ka
Sa araw ng Pasko. Sa araw ng Pasko.
Thank you so much, Monica and Christian. For our next performer, let us call
The
That-
BUPC.
the BUPC Dance Troupe.
Trisha, boy, from Nairobi to Kingston. This party couldn't get no better. Chase the clouds to bring you good weather. Everybody come together. Boys and girls, my wine for each other. This one gon' make you move real slow. Bubble down low, make you big one set your toe. This one don't cause no trouble. Turn up the bass, turn up the treble. This one is gonna make you high like a good push, gonna make you stay. When you and I'm looking for a cool birthday. I don't know about you right now, but tonight I'm gonna hold out you, babe. Yeah, that girl is honey dance and I wine and I'm giving you a cool girl scream. Giving you a cool girl scream.
Hey Trisha, you me a feature. You know it's space. Listen to it. Gyal a wine, gyal a wiggle, gyal a bubble. Continue wine like that you in a trouble. On the floor we a time like couple. While the selector of the tune them a trouble. Hold up, wait a minute baby. Anyway a reptile. Trisha, you know you drive the man them wild.
Bad boys coming at the dance and I'm whining, I'm looking for a rude boy thing. Bad boys coming at the dance and I'm whining, I'm looking for a rude girl thing. I don't know about you right now, but tonight I'm gonna hold a goodbye. Yeah, young girl in the dance, whining, I'm giving you a rude girl swing.
Hear that?
Giving you a rude girl swing. Giving you a rude girl swing. Giving you a rude girl swing. Listen to it style, cause me know a chinga. Mashing up the dance and me now go linga. I'm taking it over. Let the music take control of your body and soul. Wind up your waist and let go. Let the music take over, you're letting it go. Coming at the dance and I'm whining, I'm looking for a rude boy thing. Bad boys coming at the dance and I'm whining, I'm looking for a rude girl thing. I don't know about you right now, but tonight I'm gonna hold a goodbye. Yeah, young girl in the dance and I'm whining, I'm giving you a rude girl swing.
Hear that?
Giving you a rude girl swing. Giving you a rude girl swing. Giving you a rude girl swing. Giving you a rude girl swing.
Thank you so much, BUPC Dance. At this juncture, may we call on the Vice President for Research and Development and Extension, Dr. Luis O. Amanyo, to give us a message.
Thank you very much, Sir MC and Ma'am MC, Camille. To our guests, Sir Attorney Alex, the Dean of the BU College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Ma'am Bem, the Dean of BU Pulangi, Sir Ronel, the Director of the Research, Development and Management Division, all our, si Ma'am Weng, Ma'am Chris, students, other guests, good evening. Pareho ko ni Ma'am Bem, may kundi-guman ako. Now, we all know that Christmas is a time for hope. It is also a season for renewed inspiration from Christ's universal message of peace on earth, goodwill towards men. The celebration is manifested in so many ways from one family to another. The tradition is passed from one generation to the next. One of which is the Advent season, or the preparation for the arrival of Jesus Christ, a period to embrace hope, to actively seek peace, to exude joy, and allow love to rain down on us this Christmas and the whole year through. This Christmas, let's bring to mind the true spirit of the season, that our real source of joy is not in receiving, but in giving. That it is not what we receive from others, what we give and do for their welfare and happiness that make us truly happy. Let us make this day a dedication of our thoughts and efforts to the task of bringing about a better life for all. Let this be our Christmas gift to the university, our continued sacrifice and cooperation, so that our present aspirations for prosperity and plenty will soon become concrete realities. At this special sacred season, the OBPRD family, as well as the BU Pulangi campus, hope that you take the time to reflect on the many blessings in your life and the privilege to be of service to others. We extend our very best wishes for a Merry Christmas and a bright New Year to you and your families. Thank you very much, all. Merry Christmas.
Thank you so much po, Dr. Amano, for that message.
For our next performers, let us welcome the talented singer, April Iris Tezera and John Luigi Samaniego.
The time, if I'm really there, don't make me fall in love again. If you want me here next year, Santa, tell me if you really care. 'Cause I can give it all away if you want me here next year. Feeling Christmas all around, and I try to play it cool, but it's hard to focus fantasy and walk across the room. The snow is passing now, but I won't get in the wood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's too late. That hate this so next Christmas I'm not all alone. But Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if we won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can give it all away if we won't be here next year. I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas night, but I knew you stay, you wake up and you lost it from last time. No one needs to want to hold, you're not fire in the cold, but it's hard to tell. It's just a thing or if it's just love that we think so next Christmas I'm not all alone. But Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if we won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really care. 'Cause I can give it all away if we won't be here next year. Oh, have you been like on a 10-45 days old? But I don't want it a broken heart. This year I've got to be smart. Baby, if you want me here. Santa, tell me if you really dare. Don't make me fall in love again if we won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really cares. 'Cause I can give it all away if we won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if we won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can give it all away if he won't be here next year. Sayang sinta ang sinumpaan at pagtitindan Paano ang Pasko? Alay ko sa'yo. Sinta ang sinumpaan
Simbang gabi tayo'y gising na patulog pa lang ang buwan. Simoy ng hangin dahan-dahan na umahaplos sa dahan ng bawat taong bumabagsak-bagsak pa ang mata. Dahan-dahan pulis na ang mga ilaw ng tumatandang simbahan. At nakinig sa misa de Gallo pagdating ng alamin, ang oras huminto ng magkahawa. Ang ating mga kamay lumawi, mga ulap at sabay nagsiawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At nang unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit, kay ganda ng harana ng tinig na sumapit ng hangin. Ang sabi nila, pagkatapos magsimba, habang hinahati kita sa iyong tahanan, parang walang kata katapusan ng ating kwentuhan tungkol sa mga buhay ng isa't isa. Ako'y nanghalina ng napadaan doon sa may tindahan, mawit mga ulam at sabay nagsiawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At ng unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit kay ganda ng harana ng tinig na sumasabay sa ihip ng hangin. Ang sabi nila, oh, ang sabi nila. Pustin ng siyang na araw ng simang gabi. Sabi ko sa sarili, baka ito lang huli. Pero wala nung una manali na ang iyong kamay ay hinawakan. Di mo na binitawan. Nagsiawit ang mga anghel sa langit. At ng unang gabi ng Pasko'y sumapit kay ganda ng harana ng tinig sumasabay sa ihip ng hangin. Ang sabi nila, ang sabi nila, ang sabi nila, oh, ang sabi nila, sabi nila, mo na siya ng bibingka. Dahil ikaw na ang aking tadhana. Bilhan mo na siya ng bibingka. Dahil ikaw na ang aking tadhana.
Please with your place up the on that avenue. In a the ground energy, when me sending you. I told the bar at the east of the revenue. I want me say, so when me say, I know fire we ready give my head. When me say, I got me say, so when me say, then which bar we dead, but why she let me come through? Ladies,
les tout tremblent, ça fait bam bam. Quand tu vois nos petits twerk, ça fait ram pam. J'aimerais danser toute la night, bam bam. Diggy bam bam bam, diggy bam bam. Diggy bam bam bam, diggy bam bam. Diggy bam bam, diggy diggy bam bam. Diggy bam bam bam, diggy bam bam. Diggy bam bam.
Low. Ah.
Nadarama ko na ang lamig ng hangin. Naririnig ko pa ang may dalaga sa pinagsama-sama ginawang tamborin. Ang mga parol ng bawat tahanay nagtinig. Ibang mukha na saya. Himig ng Pasko'y nadarama ko na. May tatalo ba ba sa Pasko ng Pinas? Ang kaligayahan natin walang kumpas. Di yan iba ng kulang pera. Pagkat tayo'y magkakasama, ibang-iba talaga ang Pasko sa Pinas.
May simpleng regalo na sa'yo at sa para sa inaanak hanap pa ang buong pamilya ay magkakasama sa paggawa ng Christmas tree. Ayan na ang bakada, ikaw ay niyayaya para magsimbang gabi.
Ibang mukha na saya. Himig ng Pasko'y nadarama ko na. 1, 2, 3, go! May tatalo pa ba sa Pasko ng Pinas? Ang kaligayahan natin walang isa pa? Next time na lang. Okay, so, bago ang lahat, syempre, kailangan ubusin yung prize na na-prepare. So, lang to? 30 seconds game. So, bago tayo, pwede ba, 4 na volunteers from Bicol University Pulangi Campus, and then 4 volunteers from OBPRDE, dapat well represented. OBPRDE, go! Ano ba yan? BUPC! BUPC! Volunteer na kayo! Go! OBPRDE! BUPC, go! Okay, go, guys! 4 na ba? O, 4 na ba yung OBPRDE? Okay, so, 4 na. Uy, kulang pa. Kulang pa ng isa. Go, Ate Cha! Go! Okay, so, wow, girls versus boys. Galingan nyo. So, this is called Shake It Off. Okay, each part na, tas nangipit pala yung lumampas. So, each participant ay ipitan ng lumampas. So, help yourselves. Ipitan nyo yung sarili nyo. 5 lang. Hoy, Ben and Ben, galingan nyo, ha? Ben and Ben. Diba? Ah, sige. Sige ba ha? 5 lang. Sino bang may kulang? Hoy, mag-strategy. May isa pa dito. Sinong 4 lang? Okay, so simple lang ang rule ng games. Paramihan lang ng matatanggal na ipit at yung may pinakamarami yung nanalo ng prize. So, kung sino yung may mauubos, ay mag-uuwi ng 5 kilong bigas. Yan. Okay, so galingan nyo, guys! Uy, kulang sa'yo. O, kulang. Ay, sige, okay. O, sige, gusto nila sa baba na lang. Sige, go! Ready na ba ang lahat? 30 seconds lang. Oy, may nahulog na. Wala pa. Hindi pa nagsa-start yung game. Shake It Off ang pangalan ng game. Okay. Ready? Get set? Go! Go, guys! Okay, so sino ang may pinakamaraming natanggal? Oh my God, Ate Cha, panalo ka! Sino ba? My God, mukhang galing na naman sa OVPRDE ang mag-uuwi ng... So, sino yung naubusan ng ipit? Ay, bawal mandaya, ha? Ate Cha, malinaw na malinaw. Ikaw ang nanalo ng 5 kilong bigas. And of course, yung may pinakasunod na pinakakonti, ba't tinanggal nyo na? Yan! Spaghetti! Meron pa dito isa. Noche Buena pa! Okay! Congratulations! Okay, so okay na ba ang lahat? Maraming salamat. Ay, wait. So maraming salamat sa inyong participation. At this point, we would like to call on the Director of the Extension Management Division to give us the closing remarks.
Okay, so magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And of course, naging masaya ang ating Merry Christmas, Paskong Masaya Year 2. And of course, let us thank our President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, the Vice Presidents, Deans and Directors, of course, andito si Sir Alex, si Attorney Alex de Pomoseno of the CSSP, yung mga heads of offices, faculty, non-teaching staff, students, and other guests, thank you for being with us tonight. To our performers, so ayan, marami tayong na-discover, Madam Bem. Ang ating mga singers and dancers from BU Pulangi Campus. Yan. Hindi pa sumasali ang inyong magaling na din. Yan. So, unless i-challenge natin siya ngayon na mag-perform, pwede naman. Di ba? Laging ready yan. And of course, gusto rin naming pasalamatan ang ating Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, si Sir Louie, na siya rin nag-train doon sa ating mga pastores. Kasama si Sir Ronel. And of course, si Madam Malu. Sana sila. Sabi ko, wag muna alis kasi magpapapicture tayo. So, of course, thank you again for being with us tonight. Naging masaya ang Pasko natin, ang sponsored mass natin, and of course, maraming pagkain. Salamat din sa mga nagdala po ng masasarap na pagkain. Nabusog ba kayo? Yan. So, yung ating mga performers, for sure, magkakaroon na kayo ng maraming bookings from now on para mag-repeat performance. Yan, no? So, thank you again to all of you. And of course, we wish you all a very Merry Christmas. May God's peace be in our offices, homes, and hearts this Christmas and the coming New Year. Maraming salamat po. Isigaw nga natin, Pasko Masaya sa Bicol University. Pasko sa Bicol University. Thank you very much.
Kain naman natin.
And ingat kayo sa pag-uwi. Thank you.
Siyempre, hindi dyan nagtatapos ang gabi natin sa gabing ito. Siyempre, meron inihandang surprise performance ang mga taga-BUPC. Handa na ba kayo? Kung handa na, let's go!